In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide change tracking number on eBay. Whether you entered the wrong tracking number, switched carriers, or simply need to update shipment details, I'll walk you through the exact click so your buyer sees the correct information and your order stays on track. Start by heading to ebay.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the same account you used to list and ship the item. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sell option at the top of the screen and click it. This takes you into the Selling Hub where you manage orders and listings. Next, navigate to the Orders area. From there, choose the Paid and Shipped section. This filter shows items that have already been paid for and marked as shipped, which is where you'll make tracking updates. If you haven't marked the item as shipped yet, that's okay. You can handle that in the same flow as you add the correct tracking. In this section, you'll see your listings and their order statuses. Find the specific order you want to update. On the right side of that order row, look for the Dispatch menu. Click that drop-down. Here is where you can remove an incorrect tracking number if one was previously added, and then add the updated one. If no tracking was added yet, you'll simply add it fresh. Choose Add Tracking. A small form will appear prompting you for the tracking number and the carrier name. Type the tracking number carefully, avoid extra spaces or characters, and select or enter the carrier exactly as it appears on the label, such as the Postal Service or your chosen courier. Accuracy matters here because eBay uses this information to pull live tracking and display it to your buyer. When you're confident everything is correct, click Save. eBay will automatically update the order and send an email notification to the buyer with the new tracking details. That way, they can follow the shipment without confusion. Keep in mind that some carriers can take a short time to activate tracking after a label is created. So if it doesn't show movement immediately, give it a little time. A few quick tips as you finish up. Confirm you're updating the right order by double-checking item details. Ensure the carrier name matches the service on your label, and if you had to delete an old number, verify the new one is visible after saving. That's all there is to it. Simple, accurate, and buyer-friendly.